Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Start by focusing on your breath. Just notice the sensation of air moving in and out of your nose. As you continue to focus on your breath, imagine a white light entering your body with each inhale, filling you with calm and peace. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Starting from the top of your head, scan down your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you scan down your body, imagine the white light flowing into these areas, relaxing your muscles and releasing any tension. When you reach your toes, imagine the white light spreading throughout your entire body, filling you with a sense of peace and calm. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow your mind to become still. Let go of any thoughts or worries for just a few moments. Take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. Then exhale slowly. Repeat this a few times, breathing deeply and slowly. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, a place where you feel safe and relaxed. It can be a beach, a forest, or a mountain. Visualize yourself surrounded by this peaceful environment. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into this peaceful state. Take a deep breath, hold it for a few seconds, then exhale slowly. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel and allow that feeling of peace and calm to stay with you throughout the day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.